Hello, and this is Notary Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, today we are talking about, do I need a notary bond? What is it? So let's get right into it, okay? So first of all states do not require a notary bond. I'm going to include a list of the states that do. I'm also going to include a link to the NNA. If your state does require it, that'll make it pretty simple for you to get it, okay? But what is it? So a notary bond is basically just an insurance for the client. It does not benefit you at all. It protects the client. In case you make a mistake out there while you're notarizing, the client's financial interest is protected. And again, not all states require this. So you need to see if your state requires it. Where can you get it from if you do need it? If your state does require it, you will get it from the NNA, and there are other insurance companies that do sell it. Sometimes that is state specific. So again, you really have to check your state on this one. But I want to bring it to you because I don't want you out there stamping documents and you don't have all your proper credentialing and insurance that's required. Okay, I don't want you to get in trouble. So what amount of the notary bond is required? It could be as low as $500. And in some states, as much as $25,000. So again, that is state specific, and I'm going to include a list of the states so you can see if your state needs, if it's required by your state, and how much. How long do you have to have this notary bond? Well, you have to have it as long as you're a commission. So if your commission is 2 years, then you'll have it for 2 years. If it's 5 years, you'll have it for 5. So it'll match the term of your commission, okay? So what happens if something actually happens out there and you do make a mistake and someone holds you accountable for the loss of whatever you notarized? Then they're going to file a claim against your notary bond. Just like any other insurance, they're going to file a claim and say, hey, Kimberly messed up my document here, so I think I'm going to file a claim against her notary bond. And basically what that is they don't pay it out automatically, so you don't have to panic. They will do an investigation. They will do some research and make sure if you actually made the mistake. Because just because the client said it was a mistake, maybe it was their mistake. You know what I'm saying? So they'll investigate it, and if it has to be paid, then they will pay it for you on your behalf. Another way to protect yourself while you're out there is all notaries, no matter what state you are in, you should have errors and omission insurance. Now, I have a whole video about errors and omission insurance, so I'll let you check that out. But basically, that covers you in your role as a notary. That protects you, not the client. So if you accidentally wrote the wrong date and it threw something off, or you omitted something or forgot to add something that should have been there, it will protect you. So that's what errors and omission insurance is. So the notary bond is a really great protection for you because it covers things that just happen by mistake. Again, we all are human. We all can make a mistake. But if your state requires you to have a notary bond, do not start stamping documents without it. Some states won't even allow you to finish your commission process until you show proof that you have it. So this bond is equally important as your errors and omission insurance. You want to be fully protected out there while you're serving as a notary, because again, anything can happen. And we deal with high dollar value of paper. When I say paper, it could be a mortgage document. It could be somebody's will, power of attorney. All of those pieces of paper have value. All of those pieces of paper have value. This particular piece of paper here can be worth $250,000. And if we mess it up, we want to make sure that we're protected, and then the client want to make sure that they're protected. That's why some states do require it. So just see if it's required in your state. If so, go ahead and get it. And again, don't start stamping no documents without the proper coverage. Well, this is Notary Life with Kimmi, okay? It's been my pleasure, guys.